Okay, so we're going to practice grammar MCQs, comprehension cloze, and then we're going to learn something about introduction for the composition. Grammar MCQ. So are you guys ready to do the first question for number 1, right? There were blank people asking for Catherine Lim novels at the book fair today. What will it be? Oh, okay. There's many more people coming in. Sorry. I'm going to admit. I'm just too eager to get the lesson on. Hi, guys. Welcome all of you. Welcome, everybody. Yes. Hold on. Huh? So get the question, all right? Answer the question number 1. Yeah. So how many do we have? Let's see now. Is it a record? Yancy, Yashika, thank you. Brian, Wenyu, Lucas, Subiksha, Tommy, Yan, and what's this? Ling Yan. Is it Zhen Yan? Zhen Yan. Okay. Tommy,
can you help me change my name?
11 of you. How to change your name? That's a very interesting request, because can I change your name for you? I think I can, but I've got to stop share if I do that, right? Okay, let me just stop share for a while and let's see. I think I can do it here. Let me see now. Participants, under participants, we have Chen Yan. Wrong person. Chen Yan. Rename. Okay. There it is, Chen Yan. Okay. Yeah, I know how to do it. All right. So 11, 12 persons. Very good. Going. Gone. And the answer, of course, is there were. Cannot be much, right? Because this is countable. So it's not much. Little is also countable. For countable. Less is also countable. Okay. Uncountables. This is the only one for countable. And people are countable, of course. So there were many people asking for Catherine Lim novels. So Catherine Lim here, you notice there is no possessive apostrophe S, right? So for Catherine Lim's novels, okay, that definitely can, but you don't have to. It's optional. Okay, so Catherine Lim is used as a noun. Okay, it's just like saying your school canteen, right? This is a noun used as an adjective. Okay, right? Because some people, I think, would, hey, why is that on Catherine Lim's novels, right? So this is used as an adjective, school canteen. You don't say school's canteen, right? I went to the school's canteen, right? So this is not usually done. This is the one. Okay. So Catherine Lim novels, asking for, just like saying Enid Blyton novels, J.K. Rowling novels. Are we good? Yeah, let's go on to question number 2. Give me your answers. Question number 2. And the answers are coming in fast and furiously. Oh, what happened now? How come I cannot scroll down? Oh, yeah. Okay. Everybody's got more or less same answer except for one person. Okay. Then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What child who comes to the party will be given a candy box? So it should be B, each child who comes to the party, right? Each child. All and a few cannot, because you will need to have a plural, all children, a few children, right? Okay, is there any, just want to check, anybody's coming in? No. Okay, no new attendance. Oh, children. Okay, all children, a few children, little children who come, right? Little children also. But each child then would be, that's the only one that takes a singular noun child, right? Let's go on to number 3. How blank cheese did you use to prepare the salted caramel cheesecake? Wow, salted caramel cheesecake, one of my favorites, isn't it? Wow, so many, that's good. Tommy, isn't it all the children? Yeah, but all children who come also can, right? All students who attend, right? All students who attend this class will get an A. Okay, Yashika, Brian, thank you. Yancy, Chen Yan, Subiksha, Dong Yi, Wen Yu, Yan, Tommy, Hannah, Heidi, Lucas, 12 of you. Any more? Any more coming in? No, going. 3, 2, 1. All right. So it is how much, right? How much cheese did you use to prepare this salted caramel cheesecake? Right? It cannot be many, because many is countable. You can't say how less cheese or how few cheese. You don't say that. It's how much usually when you want to ask a question for the quantity, right? You inquire after the quantity. How about can you say how little cheese did you use? How little cheese did you use? Can you say that? Not usually, right? So as an expression, we don't say how little cheese do you use. Okay. Okay. Number 4. We saw. Sorry. So this is 4. Get me your answers for 4. So Yashika, thank you. Priya, you just give me the letter, Priya. You don't have to write the word down, okay? Brian, Lucas, Hannah, thank you. Wen Yu, Dong Yi, Subiksha, Ian, Tommy, Yancy, Zhen Yan. Wow, Heidi. 13. That's the record for today. 13. But I think the all-time record is 14, right? All-time record. Okay. So everybody's got more or less the same idea. Great minds think alike. So the answer is some we saw some beautiful scenery when we went to Austria. Okay, and the scenery here is an uncountable. Okay, you cannot say we saw few. We can say we saw a little beautiful scenery, but we didn't see much scenery. There wasn't much scenery. Okay, but not few. Scenery is uncountable. That's why it is in a singular form. Okay. There is actually another possible answer. No? Can anyone tell me? Anyone? There's another possible answer here. What is the other possible answer, you think? What is the other possible?
Beautiful scenery.
We saw something. Which one? More, both, few?
C.
C. Okay, who was that who said that? Can't see anybody who said that. But you're right. No, it's not both. We saw both. It must be more. We saw more beautiful scenery when we went to Austria. We saw more beautiful scenery. And this more can be in two ways, right? The more could be a quantity. We saw much more beautiful. So, or no, we went to Germany. We saw a lot of beautiful scenery, and then we went to Austria and we saw more beautiful scenery, right? But more can be used as a comparative as well, right? We saw more, better, right? More beautiful. This scenery is more beautiful. Okay, like say, oh, we are in Germany now, or maybe some other country, and they say, wow, this is a beautiful scenery. However, there was more beautiful scenery in Austria. Okay, so either comparative or quantity. So of course you got to look at the context. That is a problem about single sentences like this, right? Okay, because it can be open to all kinds of contexts depending on your imagination. Okay, but I think all of you have chosen some. Okay, and except one person, I think. Right, so okay, cannot be countable. Few is only for countables. So next question then, number 5. There are a lot of flowers in the garden, but there isn't. Let's see whether we can get a lot of answers here. I think it's quite straightforward, this answer, right? Okay, so yay. Oops. So you have Yancy, Hannah, Yashika, Subiksha, Zhen Yan, yes, Dongyi, Heidi, Brian, Ian, Wenyu, Tommy. That makes 10. Hey, Tommy, you're so many. What are you doing? Lucas, Priya. Okay, 12 of you. 12 of you. Close. Going. 3, 2, 1, and all of you have actually selected March. Is it great minds think alike, or fools seldom differ? You know for a fact that this is very much the answer, right? But there isn't much grass. Okay, there isn't some grass, no little. Okay, there isn't much grass. Just like saying how much. So there isn't usually. You can see it's a quantity, just to show that the inquiry or the statement about a quantity. There isn't much grass. Okay, but of course grass is uncountable, and that's why it's in the singular form. Great. So these are the answers: A, B, D, A, B. Right? Any questions? If not, no questions. Let's go on to the next one: comprehension cloze. So comprehension cloze, you start with number 6, which is number 1 on your printed sheet, right? For those of you who are using printed sheets, you just -5. Okay, the number on the screen, you just -5. So hard. Okay, let's go. So 6, 7, 8, and 9. So can you type down your answers? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? Let's put 6. What is the answer? And just carry on. 7. You don't have to keep a new line. But if you want a new line, then you got to press Shift and Enter. Then you will jump to the next line. Okay. If not, just fine. 6 was the answer. 7 was the answer. 8 was the answer. And 9 was the answer. Okay. All at once. Don't enter them. Don't send them separately. Very difficult to see.